Hi guys, welcome back to DevTown. So in this today's video guys, we will learn about some of the more features of the labels and of the pandas. So guys, this would be a very interesting video and I hope that you will all like it. And please subscribe to our channel DevTown. So now our first part is guys like how can we create labels? Okay. So it is very simple guys. So first step is to import pandas as PD. Okay, and in next step we have to assign a variable. Like suppose we have a here and in which we have a element 1 4 5 6. Okay, fine guys, I hope that this thing is very much clear. So now we have to create the another variable, like for we have a x here. Okay guys, now we have to use this pd dot series. Okay, so guys, this is a syntax and you have to take care of this syntax. Otherwise, there will be a error. Okay, after that, we have to write the variable, like we have the a here. So I have written a, and now we have to create the index, guys. Okay, so this is how the index will be created, as you can see on the screen. Okay, I hope that you are getting my words, what I'm trying to explain you. Okay, once done with this program, then I will tell you like how it is helping us. Okay guys, now it is very simple. I just have to print this x. Okay, now if I print x, what would I get? See, I'm getting an error. You know why? Because I have done the wrong indentation. I have to put the x here. Now if I run this, guys, what is wrong? Okay, I have not closed this. Wait a second, it will run. Guys, you have to take care of this s. Okay, if you will not write this in the capital, so it will give in an error. Like example, let me show you. We were getting an error because I have not used the capital here. So now if I change it to the capital S, the error will be removed. Okay, I hope that this thing is very much clear. So as you can see that x is along with the 1, y is the 4, and z is with 5. Okay, and you can guys also like return the value of any particular element if you want. For an example, like if I want to get the value of z, what is it? So I will get it. See, I have to just use this in the square bracket z, and I'm getting 5, as 5 is at the z place. Now guys, suppose you have to do like keep the record of the sale. How you can do that in this? Let me import pandas as pd from the here. Okay, so this thing is like same. So you have to create the sale here. Okay, now guys, suppose at the like in July. Okay, suppose you are having a revenue of 30,000. I hope that this thing is very much clear, guys. Like we are just using the data. Now suppose in the August, guys, we have a revenue of 40,000. And now for example, in October, we are having a revenue of 50,000. Okay, till now that I hope that there is no issue. Now I have to like create an X for printing it. So I will use that pd dot series. Guys, again, we have used it in a small, so it will give an error. Let me change it to the capital S. Now I have to just simply print the sale in it. So it will give us a value for the sale. Now if I print it, X. See guys, now I'm getting the all sale here which I have like entered. And there one thing you can also do, like you can use the index here. So how you gonna use that? Let me show you. So now suppose you want to say see the sale of like July and August only. So how this thing can be done is possible. Okay, so let me show you. So suppose I want the sale of only July. Okay, and I want the sale of only suppose August. Okay, I hope guys that this thing is now very much clear. Now if I will print this, see now I'm getting the sale of only July and August. Okay, so this is how I can use like in this index format and get the data according to my requirement. Now guys, there is one more thing which is data frame. Okay, so now what is the data frame? So in pandas, usually multi-dimensional tables called data frames. So let me show you with an example. Suppose guys we have a data of, okay, so let it this sale only. Okay, guys, so let me change this data. I'm doing nothing guys, I'm just changing the data. Okay, suppose now I have a 400, suppose 600. Okay, now suppose we have a next separate column for the loss. See now how we can get this data in the data form. Okay, so the syntax is very simple guys, we have to use the term data frames here. You have to use it in a capital, otherwise it will give you an error guys, I have told you. So now we have to print the data in it. Okay, now if I print it, see guys I'm getting the error. Okay, I have not closed this. Okay, let me close this. Yeah, fine. See guys, now I'm getting the sale and the loss. Okay, so let me convert it to the profit. Sale is like so odd here. See, so profit and loss both are available. So this is how we can create the data in the data frame form guys in the Python. Apart from it guys, we can also do one thing, we can locate the row. So the syntax is very simple as you can see. So it will locate the row for us. We have like write it down here wrong. So we have to like write x dot loc and in this the row number which we want. Okay, so we have like written the 0, so 420 is at the 0 place. So we are getting the data of the 420 and the 30. I hope that this thing is very much clear guys. And you can also guys do named indexing here. Okay, so now suppose I want to like give the profit and loss to the month in which we get it. So how I'm gonna do that, just guys focus on the screen to like for in the July. Okay, and now for which we have like in August. I hope guys that you are getting what I'm trying to explain you. Okay, now for the October we have, now if I print it, oh my god, actually I have not removed this. Okay, you have to just print X. See, so I'm getting this data assigned to the month. And guys, trust me that this thing is very much easy. Okay, now I will tell you like how you can like use the CSV files. So CSV files are comma separated files. Okay, so how you can access the data of it, like suppose, wait guys, now let me import here pandas as pd. Okay, now suppose we have x is equal to this, we have pd dot read CSV. Okay, we have to give it like which kind of file we are inserting it to read. So now we have to write the name of the file. Suppose we have the file name here, file dot CSV. As you can see on the screen, it is here. Okay, So now we have to close it. And now if I print it, so what will be I get x dot. So this is the guy's syntax, as you can see in the screen, x underscore string. Okay. Guys, now we are getting this error. So you know why we are getting. So we have to open this in our Jupyter notebook. Okay, not lab. Now till now we are using it in the lab. So now we will open it in the notebook. Now let me copy paste this program here. Where were we guys? Now let me open here. Okay. Okay guys, now there is some problem with our like Jupyter this version. So how you can solve it guys, this thing is very much important to you. Okay, so let me show you how you can do this. You just have to open this and copy paste as it is, as I have shown you on the screen. Okay guys, so this same thing you have to write down on your like command. Now if I open this, so now see it has redirected us to the same file but in the different version guys. Okay, now I have to open this. Now I can like write that program. See guys, now our CSV file is like running. See, okay, so this is the CSV file. See, if you get an error like I have shown you, so you just have to enter like the command I have told you. So it will run. I hope guys that you like this video and please subscribe to our channel DevTown.